What is going on YouTube? How you doing today? My name is Ty. My blog is thexking.com. Hit you with another video on Robinhood. Quick backdrop on Robinhood 2019. Early 2019 or April or May. I was buying a few dividend stocks here and there. For some reason I took a break from it. Don't know why. And I got back into it in December of 2019. It's now 2020. And now I'm going full-fledged on dividend paying stocks. And the reason I like dividend paying stocks because I get a monthly, quarterly dividend, and it's dependable, and it can be a source of income for you. Um, you know, this era of money, you can't pour your money into a savings account because savings accounts during this time of recording this video, they're being cut. They've been cut like 6, 7 times in the past 6 months, and the highest yield, average yield I'm seeing now of interest is like a 1.9. It might be 2%. Some are 1.6, 1.7. That's all online accounts. So right now the bank, excuse me, you can't really save your wealth into can't save money into wealth. You're gonna have to buy assets. You're gonna have to buy something that will make you money for you without you being there. Okay, having a high yield savings account is one. There's another one. That's why I buy dividend paying stocks. And I have like a complete different strategy that other people have on YouTube. These guys on YouTube are putting like 4 or 5K into a Robinhood account at one time, and that's a whole lot of money. I see one guy, he was doing like $800 a month. Now he's doing like $200 every week. I see one guy I watch. I learned a lot from a good YouTuber, but he dropped like 4K on stocks, on the stock market. He dropped in 1,000 a month probably. And to me, it's unrealistic. For some people, it can do that. Some people can do that, but some people can't. Some people can't put 4 or 5 grand. I can't put 4 or 5 grand in the stock market and pay the rest of my bills and feed my family and do whatever. I can't do that. So I decided to make a slow approach. When I get paid, I can invest $40, $50. I think this YouTuber is being a disservice to everybody else because they talk big money. And with somebody who wants to invest in not real estate, in stocks, and they see people who drop 4 grand and they're only making $100 a month passively, they're like, why would I do something like that? Why I'm drop $4,000 of my own money to make $100 a month? Some people don't have that much money, so people don't get involved in it. But I'm taking a slow approach to this. I'm investing to $50 to $100 every time I get paid. I get paid twice a week, twice a month. So it's about maybe $200 to $250 per month that I'm investing in. Some of my YouTube earnings as well. I'll put $40 to $50 towards stocks. But my thing is this: I'm trying to make the fastest return on my money possible. So what I'm doing is these first 10 stocks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, this first list here. My goal is to buy enough shares to make me $1 per share. Okay, that's my goal. These stocks are fairly cheap. They don't cost a lot of money, and some do with real estate, some do with investment companies as well. I say, you know what? Let's just do the slow approach. Let's just buy enough shares. Sometimes I'll be based on the dividend yield, 6, 8 cents, 10 cents. You have a 10 cent, and you buy one stock that's give you 10 cent dividends per month or quarter. You need 10 shares to bring you $1. So these stocks you see right here, these 7 stocks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 7 stocks all pay monthly, once a month, and my goal is to get these to $1 per month. So if I get I make $7 a month, probably $8. I'm making like $1.10, $1.20, $1.30. So for all these 7 stocks, I probably can make $8 a month. Now it's not a lot of money, but if you do 10 stocks at $1 and buy enough shares to make $1, you make $10 a month. Well, you could do that for 10 more stocks or ETFs. You could do 10 more stocks. See, doing it this way, you're just diversifying your portfolio. Now all your money is in one basket. It's all equally dispersed between 20 to 30 different stocks. So imagine you have 30 different stocks in different sectors like real estate oil and gas, natural gas, telecommunications, water, trash management, REITs as well. If you really diversify your portfolio, you can really, be okay. If you do a lot of ETFs, it's even better. So I have a list of 20 stocks. Let's see. Here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is Apple, 8, 9, 10. So it's like 12. So all these stocks here, it's the New York one. See New York NYMT. That's a quarterly dividend. All right. So that's my cutoff there. Below New York Mortgage Trust, I have 10 more stocks. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a quarterly. So I have 20 stocks that my goal is to get them to $1 per month per stock. So sometimes like this one here, Orchard Island Capital, you're only getting out on 13 shares. I'm getting a dividend on the end of January for $1.04. So I got, and you get 8 cents per share. So 8 times 10 is 80. So you need like 13 shares to make $1. Some pay you 10 cents a share, so you need 10 shares to get $1. Once that's done, I go into the next stock, go into the next stock, go into the next stock. And what I could also do, since I'm already making money, I'm already making $10. So let's say I get to 10 stocks, $1 a month. Now I'm getting about $11, $12. It's just spare change. It's like $1.04, $1.05, $1.10 on 10 different stocks. So it's about $11. That $11 could buy me another stock, or take $11 in dividends and invest it to a, let's say I have a stock that's $15 that I want to get. Well, now I add $4 or $5 to it. Now I have the stock off the dividends. So, and you can do this very small, very inexpensive. Like again, buying 10 shares or something doesn't cost a lot of money. You can buy 5 shares this week and 5 shares next week, and you're good to go. So I'm getting $1.04 for that. This stock here, Prospect Capital, I am getting a dividend of 30 cents for 5 shares. So that tells you right there, another 5 shares, I'll get 60 cents. All right. So I have to buy at least 10 shares to 15 shares total. Yeah, 30, probably another 10 shares should do it. And that'll make me $1 a month. And I can go on to the next one, which is here, which I might not do this one yet because the dividend yield is unavailable. The dividend yield changes. But I'm getting a dividend of this one for 14 cents. So 14 cents, I might need like 7 shares, 8 shares, and I'll be done with it. Once that's done, I'm going to the next one. So now I got 1, 2, 3. Now I'm getting $3 a month coming in passively. Now I don't have to work for this money. It's another side income. I can go to Capital. I forgot what it's called. Capita Finance. I own. Let's see. I got a dividend payment. I own 1 share of this. So I got 8 cents right now. So I know I need at least 10 shares to be 80 cents. 8, probably 13 shares. No, 12 shares will give me $1, and I'm going to the next one. I own 3 shares of this here. 2 shares. Apple REIT. Apple REIT is easy. Apple REIT is 10 cents a share. 8 more shares. I'll get my $1. Here it is right here. 10 cents per share. 8 more shares. I'm done. So you could buy on a small level as well. You could buy 2 shares of 4 or 5 different stocks when you get paid. And when you get paid again, buy 2, 3 more shares of those same stocks. Within 2 months, you have $4 or $5 coming in at the same time. So that's my strategy. As you see, it's mostly real estate and financial companies. These paid the most. I like AGNT. I like that for some reason. I like it because it's a dependable stock. It's a REIT. It's going up right now in price. So while you watching the video, so get into this one. It's pretty good. They pay a pretty good dividend as well. They pay 16 cents a share. So really, you might need like eight shares to make $1. You know what I'm saying? So my goal is, once I get 10 shares at $1, another 10 at $1, another 10 at $1. That's $30 per month. All I could do is take those same shares and add more, buy more stocks, and make it $2. So now I'm making $6 a month. Now you see how now, but now it's easier because now we're making $30 a month. So if you go to A&G is $17. Well, with $30, 34, $35 a month, I could buy 2 of these shares with my dividends I got and keep it moving. So next time I buy some stocks, I can buy them smaller ones and back that out, buy 6, 7 shares at one time. I need 3 more and make it $2. That's my goal. That's what I'm into right now. That's the whole 9 yards, my dividend stock portfolio. It took me a while to get this stuff, guys. It took me a little while to get it. I have a lot of stag. It's $30 a month, or $30 a share. So it'll take me a while to get there because I'm investing $100. I'm gonna buy, I'm gonna buy 3 shares of that. 3, 6, 9. 3 shares, and it pays a dividend of 11 cents. So I need 9 shares. So roughly, or right now I need 8 more shares. Or 8 more shares. I got 12 cents. So 8 shares. That takes me a while to get. So that's where you can invest in the stock market. It's another side of income that you can depend on. I like it because I'm getting this dividends here, as you see here. You own 1 share of this. You own here. I own 4 shares of DX, and I got to pay 60 cents. Okay, so I know DX, I get 60 cents per 4 shares. Let's look at DX real quick. I like DX too. Dynax Capital. So it took me a while to get there, but I'm getting there. So 15 cents per share, I'm already have 60 cents. So another 2 shares would be 30, I'd be at 90. So another 3 shares, if I'm doing it right, yeah. Another 4 would be 60 cents. Another 3 shares, I'd be at $1. So I gotta buy at least 3 more times, 3 more shares, I'd be at $1 with this. I'm already getting 60 cents. Well, I've already bought them. Now I'm getting 60 cents back. Not a lot of money, but every time you get paid, you can buy the stock. It's only $16, guys. It's only $16. So you can buy, if you get paid, you buy 2 of these shares. You need like 8 or 9 to make $1 and go on to the next one. My ultimate goal of the whole portfolio is to have 10, 10, and 10, and like 10 stocks making me $5. That's what, $50, something like that. So $5, 5, 10, 15, 25. It's about $50. So I'm trying to get all these stocks, maybe $2, that'll be 30. $3, maybe 40. I keep it all in line. It's all diversified, and it's easy to buy. It works, and yeah, I like it so far. And the good thing, what you want, one tip to this is you want to get your list now. You find you 30 stocks and ETFs, 15 stocks, 15 ETFs you want to invest in, because you want that list. So when you were to buy some stocks, some might be 60 cents off, some might be $1 off. You want to buy them then. Like Vermilion Energy is down 17 cents. So, that's down 17 cents. And on $6, $16.18. But if you go to, say, YYY, it's up 8 cents. So I wouldn't buy this. I would buy the Vermilion Energy because it's down. It's cheaper. This costs more money if I would bought this upright. I would buy the one that's down 30, 40 cents versus paying in one that's 8 cents more expensive. So you want a list of stocks, 30 different stocks, 15 ETFs, 15 stocks, and you want to invest in these stocks that pay a dividend. Now I haven't bought no quarter ones yet. I have want to have one quarter one, but I'm gonna find like 3 companies that pay every quarter, but it opposite each other. So January, February, March, April, May, I get dividend every those big companies. But besides that, find these 30 different stocks, 15 ETFs, 15 stocks. It could be very inexpensive. Mine don't cost a lot of money. Mine not costing $30 or $40. I think my biggest stock that I want to own on this list, maybe 16, 20, 27 bucks, $27, or Stag is $30. So yeah, Stag is down right now. If I can find it, here you go. So Stag is down right now. And it's down 55 cents. So that's a good buy. It's down 55 cents right now. That's a really good buy. I would get that. I would definitely get that. But if you want to get Robinhood, there's plenty of brokers you can get. If you want to get Robinhood, I have a link below the video. You get a free stock with Robinhood. And again, I'm doing it on a small scale. I'm only investing, 100 to 50 to 100 bucks. I have a list of stocks. I'm buying enough stocks to give me $1. Once I get to $1, I'm on to the next stock. Then get to the $1, move on to the next stock. And then after a while, you have, 10 stocks. You're making $10 a month. Not a lot of money. I can't do much for you. But when you're doing dividend payments, $1.10, $1.04, $1.30, $1.13 get into your account, now you're making 11, 12 bucks. Now you take 11, 12 dollars and buy you a Stag. You can buy a Stag. Now it's only costing you, $20 versus costing you $30. And to catch it on sale is even better. When you catch it at a lower price, at 55 cents lower, it's even better. So yeah, I would definitely check out Robinhood. This is my portfolio. This is my results. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, share the video, and I will see you next time.